We were here in a support mechanism, supporting the area OEM and state police, doing rescue missions for evacuations within the flood zones. Of course, getting in and getting the children out, was probably one of the most, heartfelt, since I have young children at home myself. Also seeing the pets come out, as well, making sure they're safe. But of course, everyone else as well, to make sure that they're all out and safe and everyone's taken care of. I'm worried about my family at home. My wife has been doing this for about 5 years now, so she's kind of used to it, but I check in with her as much as I can and have prepared them as much as I possibly can before I wasn't there.